Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set reminders in ClickUp so you never miss an important task again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up personalized notifications, keep your tasks on track, and even get your team in the loop effortlessly. Let's dive straight in. First, we'll start by choosing a task that needs a reminder. So go ahead and click on the specific task in your ClickUp dashboard. Think of tasks here as sticky notes for your brain, but much smarter. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear showing all the details of that task. This is your command center for making sure things run smoothly. Now look to the top right corner of this pop-up. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. This is the More Options button. Give that a click. These dots hold quite a bit of power. They're like the hidden toolbox for everything you can do with your task. In the menu that opens up, look for the option that says Remind Me in Inbox. This is where you set your reminders. When you select Remind Me in Inbox, you'll see a simple way to choose the exact date and time you want ClickUp to nudge you. This step is crucial, especially if you're juggling multiple deadlines or need that extra push right when a task is due. Maybe you're prepping for a client call or submitting a report. Setting reminders here ensures ClickUp acts like your virtual assistant. Pick the date and time that works best for you. If you're unsure, remember, you can always come back and adjust it later. Alright, now that your reminder is set, I want to show you a neat feature for notifications. Right next to your task details, you'll notice a notification bell icon. A quick click on that bell opens up two options, follow and unfollow. Following a task means you'll be notified about every bit of activity on that task, not just reminders, but comments, updates, changes, anything. This can be really useful if you're overseeing a project and need to stay in the loop. On the other hand, if you choose to unfollow, ClickUp will only notify you for things you're directly mentioned in or if you're assigned something. It's like choosing between getting all the news or just the headlines that matter to you. Here's a thoughtful tip. If you're collaborating with teammates or need other people to stay updated, you don't have to do this alone. ClickUp lets you invite others to the task by email. In the task window, look for the option to add people via their email address. Once they're added, they'll get the same notifications as you, so everyone's on the same page at the same time. This is perfect for sharing accountability or simply making sure nobody misses the mark. And there you have it. Setting reminders in ClickUp is that simple, but the benefits go beyond just notifications. You're building better habits, staying organized, and giving yourself peace of mind, especially when chaos creeps into your schedule. If this tutorial helped you streamline your workflow, don't forget to hit that like button and drop any questions you have in the comments below. I'm happy to help you out. For more guides like this, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell so you'll never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.